Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I will show you how to increase RAM on your PC or laptop. Open your Windows and type about your PC. Now here in about section, you can see installed RAM. My laptop have 8 GB RAM. In your laptop, it can be 4 GB, 12 GB or 32 GB. Now, what will we have to do? Well, at the bottom side, you will find an option Advanced System Setting. Just click on it. Now, you will be getting another system properties. Now, in the performance, you have to click on Settings. From the top menu option, you have to click on Advanced. And here you will find the option Virtual Memory and click on Change. You will get a box and it says automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Now you have to uncheck this option and select custom size. Then you will get two cases here in initial size and the maximum size. Okay, now this is our most important part where we have to set right value of these boxes. For easier to understand, I have a note. In this note, it shows initial size RAM into 1.5, maximum size RAM into 3.0. If your computer have 4 GB RAM, you have to calculate 4 into 1024 into 1.5 for your initial size RAM. Again 4 into 1024 into 3 for your maximum size RAM. So my PC have 8 GB RAM. 8 into 1024 into 1.5. This is 12288. This is my initial RAM. Again 8 into 1024 into 3. 24576. This is my maximum size RAM. This is the note. You can take a screenshot as well. Once you are done, you have to click on Set and after click on OK. Now close all applications and restart your PC. After that, you will be find your RAM has been increased and the performance will be speed up as well. So that's all. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.